Hey guys, welcome to the channel. How's it going? Now, we all love multitasking and Windows has given us tools to do so since forever. In fact, I have an older video which talks about 5 such ways you can multitask on your Windows PC. Link to which I'll pin in the description box below. But ever since the Windows 11 update, Microsoft has introduced a couple of really useful tools that will change the way you use your Windows PC. We're talking about snap layouts and snap groups as well as virtual desktops with custom background. And if that sounds interesting, make sure to watch this video till the end. Also, let's aim for at least 1,000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let me show you my current setup. We have the File Explorer open along with Chrome, Notepad and PowerToys run, and what I want to do right now is open a website in Chrome and basically write a summary of this article using chat. Now, earlier this was a cumbersome task, but thanks to snap layouts in Windows 11, this is now a piece of cake. All I have to do is hover over the Maximize button of the File Explorer, select the third option and voila, I now have a side-by-side window. As you can see, I can now easily refer to both the documents and write a summary. I can also replace this with a 3-window layout, and this is just awesome because I can now have 3 different references open and take notes using Notepad. Now, all of these are pre-made layouts, but you can also create a custom one by selecting the plus button and assigning the size according to your needs. Now, once you've created a layout and added your programs to it, you can save it as a snap group, which means whenever you open the program again, they will be restored to the previous position. So, I can open Chrome and Notepad again and the app will open in the same position as before. This is very useful when you're doing repetitive tasks and just have to resize the window occasionally. Now, this is great, but there will be times when you'll need a completely different environment for, say, research or writing. Well, that's where virtual desktops come in. All you have to do is click on the Task View button on your taskbar and click on New Desktop. You can then assign a name to it, and just like that, you have a new desktop ready to go. Now, I can open the File Explorer again and set up my second workspace for, say, writing. What's awesome is that you can set a different background to every desktop. Just right-click on it and choose Background. You can then either select a standard image or one from your own gallery. I can now have one desktop for research, one for writing and one for gaming. This way, you never have to worry about clutter and can instantly jump to a particular desktop depending on your requirements. Look, the whole idea of snap layouts and groups along with virtual desktops is to not only help you organize your workspace but also to ensure that you focus on one task at a time. See, the problem with traditional multitasking is context switching. When you're constantly opening and resizing windows and switching between them, your brain is also trying to do the same, but after a while, it becomes difficult to retain information and you lose focus. But when you have dedicated desktops for different tasks and you jump between them only when necessary, you train your brain to stay focused on one thing at a time. Plus, when everything is neatly organized, it also reduces the chances of missing out on details. So, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments what your favorite Windows 11 tip is. I'll see you in the next one.